to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy not connecting to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So guys, to fix this, first of all use a mobile hotspot temporarily. If your router combines 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz into a single network name, so if your phone is locked on 5 GHz band, so your Birdfy might be failed to connect. So first use a second smartphone or the tablet to create 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi hotspots. And note, for the iPhone user, simply go for the settings, personal hotspots, then toggle on maximum compatibility to force the 2.4 GHz broadcast. Then connect your primary phone to the hotspot and set up the Birdfy camera through the Birdfy app. Once the camera connects to the internet and update its firmware, so you can reconfigure it to your home Wi-Fi network. Then guys, check router frequency and the settings. So guys, separate the band, log into your router admin page and create two separate SSIDs such as my Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and the my Wi-Fi 5G. Okay, and if possible disable your 5 GHz during the setups. Another thing is guys, which is factory reset the camera. If the camera is failing to progress the past pairing mode, clearing the memory is highly effective. So power on the camera, then press and hold the button for 3 seconds to ensure it is on. Press the power button twice quickly to enter the Wi-Fi pairing mode to the blue indicator light should be flashing. So QR code scanning the proximity tips, then pairing rely on the QR code generated by the Birdfy app. Hold your phone home screen about 5 to 15 centimeter away from the camera lenses and hold it steady. So increase your phone brightness and ensure there is a no direct glare on the display. User have found the success by moving the camera to within 25 feet of the router just for the initial steps. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.